Hello students, the question is according to widely accepted fluid mosaic model, cell membrane are semi-fluid where lipids and integral proteins are diffused randomly. In recent years, this model has been modified in several respects. In this regard, which of the following statement is incorrect? हमें incorrect statement बताना है बच्चे. And statements are A. Protein in cell membrane can travel within a lipid layer, bilayer. B. Protein can also undergo flip-flop movement in lipid bilayer. C. Proteins can remain confined within certain domains of the membrane. D. Many proteins remain completely embedded within the lipid bilayer. So बच्चे यहाँ बात हुई है फ्लूइड मोज़ैक मॉडल की. फ्लूइड मोज़ैक मॉडल किसने दिया था? सिंगर and Nicholson. The modified fluid mosaic model was given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972, and according to that, plasma membrane is made up of phospholipid bilayer. It is made up of phospholipid bilayer इस तरह से. और इसमें टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स हैं. वन इज पेरिफेरल प्रोटीन जो सरफेस पे मिलेंगे एंड अनदर इज इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन जो अंदर की तरफ एम्बेडेड होंगे. सो ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं. Many proteins remain completely embedded within a lipid bilayer. Yes, this is correct. Some are the integral protein. These are integral proteins that are embedded. Protein can remain confined within a certain domains of the membrane. Yes, certain site. मतलब एक particular site पे वो embedded है, confined है. तो ये बिल्कुल correct है. Protein can also undergo flip-flop movement in the lipid bilayer. ये statement wrong हो जाएगी because अगर वो confined है तो वो flip-flop movement lateral movement show नहीं करेंगे. Then protein in a cell membrane can travel within a lipid bilayer. Yes, protein जो है within a cell membrane lipid layer move कर सकते हैं. So this is correct. Peripheral protein जो होंगे वो move करेंगे. So the correct answer for the question here is option B. Thank you.